It's new book day today, and I'm going to share with you the new titles that recently arrived here at Chippewa Falls Public Library. So you can place them on hold, add them to your TBR list, and get reading. Our first one is Namesake. It's the sequel to Fable by Adrienne Young. It's fast-paced. It's been getting rave reviews on Goodreads. The world in this series is tough, it's cutthroat, it's enthralling, it's an excellent follow-up to the cliffhanger from the first book. Our second title is called Puberty is Gross, but also really awesome. It's a highly inclusive book that's more than just about puberty. It's one that you can read on your own or with a trusted adult. It covers everything from body changes to consent, acne to mental health, crushes to additional resources, and much, much more. Now we have a graphic novel, another sequel. This one's Delicates. If you enjoyed Sheets, you should definitely get your hands on Delicates. And now a new book from Karen McManus, the author of One of Us is Lying. This one's called The Cousins, and I'm just going to read a little bit of the inside for you here. Millie, Aubrey, and Jonah Story are cousins, but they barely know each other, and they've never met their grandmother. Rich and reclusive, she disinherited their parents before they were born. So when they each receive a letter inviting them to work at her island resort for the summer, they're surprised and curious. The entire Story family has secrets. Whatever pulled them apart years ago isn't over, and this summer the cousins will learn everything, if they can survive the season. And lastly, we have a historical fiction. This book combines Christian themes, romance, fairy tales, and medieval power struggles as well. It's called Court of Swans by Melanie Dickerson. Thanks for watching.